Start my Cadillac. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video in the Huck's World. Today we're going to show you how to remote start your car with your smartwatch. So stay tuned. We're going to start teaching you this right now. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's get started. Now, before we do, there's a couple of things that you must know. First, in order for this to work on your smartwatch, you must get the Alexa. Now, without the Alexa, this will not work. And for those of you all who don't have Alexa and you have Google Home, you could do it with Google Home as well. So if you want to see me do a video of that, then hit me in the comment section down below. I get enough comments, I will go ahead and do a review on that as well. But for right now, we're going to show you how to do this with Alexa. Now, also with Alexa, this remote controls your car through your car app. So if your car app doesn't have a remote starter app, I'm not positive that it's going to be able to do it with that particular brand, okay? But for right now, if your car has a manufacturer car app that came with your car, you are going to be able to remote start your car with that. Now, what cars are they? They have a few in here, so you're going to have to find your car. We're going to show you how to do that as well. Now, once you get everything set up with your Alexa app, right? Because you're going to have to download the app to your smartphone. Once you download it, you're going to have a icon just like this one. Go ahead and tap it. It's going to bring you here. And it's going to show you all the things that you can do with Alexa, which is awesome. And a lot of these things you're going to be able to do with your smartphone, right? Because the skills are there. So if you're able to cut on your lights at home, cut on your smart plug, cut on your TV, you're going to be able to do the same thing on your smartwatch with these skills, okay? Which is awesome. Now, once you get here and you go through everything, you set up your Alexa app, tap on more, and you want to go to skills and games. Once you go to skills and games, go to your skills, which is where I'm at right now. Now, for me, mine's is, I'm going to type it in. Now, once I put this in, it's going to pull up my car, right? It says My Cadillac. That's the name of my app that's on my smartphone that comes from the manufacturer that I downloaded from the Google Play Store, okay? So once I tap here, you go here, you launch it, you got to set everything up because you got to put your password, your information in and everything like that. And then you go ahead and you'll go into settings, right? And then if you want to disable it, you can. This is your account link information. So once you type all of those things in, then you're going to be good. This is just the rest of the information, the description, the ratings, and also they have reviews in here too as well on how this app actually works with Alexa. Now, Alexa has done some bug fixes. So now when I go into having Alexa to remote start my car, it doesn't bug out. So it's pretty fluid, right? Let me show you. Alexa, start my Cadillac.
Some of the things you can say are lock or unlock my vehicle, start my vehicle, or what vehicles are on my account. What would you like to do?
Start my vehicle.
Okay. Start your vehicle. What's your PIN? Got it. Starting your Cadillac CT6.
And there you go. Now that's all you have to do, right? And it's convenient when you don't want to have to go into your app or you don't want to have to get your remote. You can go right to your Alexa. Again, whether it be the Echo Dot or whether it be Alexa itself, you are going to be able to remote start your car, which is awesome, right? You can do the same thing with your smartwatch. Start my Cadillac.
Some of the things you can say are lock or unlock my vehicle, start my vehicle, or what vehicles are on my account. What would you like to do?
Start my vehicle.
Got it. Starting your Cadillac CT6.
All right, you all, as you can see, not only can I start it with Alexa, I can also start it with my Galaxy Watch 3 as well. All right, but check this out, right? Let's say you're on your phone already and you set up a widget. You can start it right from your phone as well. Now, also what I want to let you know is that all the other features that it has, whether you want to ask it the weather, or if you want to cut off a smart plug, or if you want to cut on your smart lights, you could do that from the watch and from this application as well. So if you want to add the application or a widget to your phone, For those of you all who don't know how to do this, either pinch, right? Or you can simply just hold down on the screen. It'll open it up and then you go here to widgets. Once you tap on widgets, you should see Amazon Alexa. Go ahead, press and hold. Bring it to your screen, whichever screen you want it to be at. You can take it here and scroll over. And then after that, just simply tap on it. Start my Cadillac.
Some of the things you can say are lock or unlock my vehicle.
And that's all you have to do, right? And whatever other things you want to ask it, whether you want to cut off a TV, if you get that set up, if you want to cut off your hue lights, or if you want to cut on a smart plug, you could do all those things you could do on Alexa in the home, on your smartwatch, and on your phone, which I thought was awesome, right? So you got the holidays coming up, right? I will continue to check Amazon. They're going to have some deals on this. I may throw the deals in. It should be in the description box down below. So check that out, right? Now, I know you want to know, how do I do it on the watch? All you have to do is download the application. It's called Talk to Alexa. Now, the thing about that is that, hold on, is that it's not called Alexa, right? So go ahead, tap here. You want to go to the home page. Now it's weird, right? I suggest that you download it from the link that I'm leaving in the description box, because when I tap here and or I type it in, it will not come up for some reason. It's a hit or miss. Don't ask me why. So I'm going to tap here and you see what happened? And now I go back and now it comes up. So I don't know why it does that. Again, I suggest that you use the link in the description box. All right, once you do that, go ahead and download it. And once you download it, you can open it up from here or here. Now here, it'll open it up. And then you can tell it what you want it to do, right? Which we're not going to do that yet, because we want to show you how to do it on the actual watch, right? So what I did was I went ahead and set up an app drawer, kind of, sort of, right? So I'm going to scroll to the left. I set it up and put it here. It's real easy to do. And once you get it done there, all you got to do is simply tap on it. Start my Cadillac.
Some of the things you can say are lock or unlock my vehicle, start my vehicle, or what vehicles are on my account. What would you like to do?
Start my vehicle.
Okay. Start your vehicle. What's your PIN? Got it. Starting your Cadillac CT6.
And that's all you have to do. Now, the only thing about this, right, first off, there's a slight delay. Not a bad delay, just a slight delay, which is bearable. And the other thing is that you have to cut it off when you're done with it. It does not automatically go away like some applications do. This one you actually have to cut off or else it'll stay on. So that's one of the bug fixes that this developer has to work on. We're going to shoot him an email and let him know that this is an issue. All right. But with that, that's it. That's all. I find this definitely a very convenient and very useful feature on an application. Question is this for you? Now, it only costs $2. $2 is a drop in the bucket. Listen, I'll waste that on chips, right? So with that being said, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was very, very informative. Please, whatever you do, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know what you thought of this application. Is this one you would download or not? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy, be careful, and have some fun.